What's up, y'all? It's Tajah Cole from Richmond, Virginia. The big game tonight, we play against Cosby, trying to get some get back. Lost the first time, but, probably put on the show tonight. Show y'all how me and my team do in the locker room. So I'm going to take y'all to that now. So they hype, man. Let's show y'all how we turn up out of Richmond. Put some clothes on, put some clothes on, put some clothes on. Put some clothes on. It's an interview, bro.
It's showtime!
Watch this. Hey, don't cut. Don't cut. Don't cut.
Don't cut! It's showtime!
Get up. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Don't make me kill no more. Anybody in here? Hey, I'ma shoot 3 shots. Somebody gon' make me hot. Hey, don't make me kill no more. Anybody in here? Hey, I'ma shoot 3 shots. Somebody gon' make me hot. Hey, you ain't ready. Get this word.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. That's how we turn up. All right, do it for the game. Hold on.